Number 6. Write an equivalent fraction of number 1 4 by 5 with numerator 32. So this means that 4 by 5 will be equal to some fraction whose numerator is given 32. But we have to find the entire fraction. We don't know the denominator here. So we have to see which number should be multiplied to 4 to get 32. So if we multiply 8 with 4, that means 4 into 8 is 32. And in equivalent fractions, we have to use the same number both in numerator and in denominator. So 4 by 5 is our number, which is equal to 4 into 8 by 5 into 8. 4 into 8 is 32 and 5 into 8 is 40. So we first have to check which number should be multiplied to this 4 to get 32. And how did we get 8 here? If you don't understand this, you can do one more process. You can just take this number 32 and you have to divide this by 4. If you divide 32 by 4, you will get 8. And you have to use 8 in both numerator and in denominator. So here 32 by 4 is an equivalent fraction of 4 by 5. Now number 4, 10 by 13 with denominator 78. So this can be written as 10 by 13 equals to a fraction whose numerator is unknown. So a question mark here and the denominator is 78. So if you divide 78 by 13, you will get 6. So we need to multiply 6 both in the numerator and in the denominator. So 10 by 13 will be equal to 10 into 6 by 13 into 6. Now 10 6 are 60 divided by 13 6 are 78. Therefore 60 by 78 is an equivalent fraction of 10 by 13. Now number 7, write an equivalent fraction of number 1 32 by 48 with numerator 2. See, that means 32 by 48 is equal to 2 by something. The denominator is unknown. So we can write it like this. Now if you see 32 here becomes 2. That means the numerator is decreasing. So in this case we have to divide here. We don't have to multiply. So first we have to see 32, what is the answer of 32 divided by 2. On dividing 32 by 2 we get 16. So we have to divide 16 both in the numerator as well as denominator. So 32 by 48 will be equal to 32 divided by 16 divided by 48 divided by 16. So this is equal to 32 by 16 is 2 and 48 by 16 is 3. So the answer is 2 by 3. Therefore 2 by 3 is an equivalent fraction of 32 by 48. Now number 4, 121 by 132 with denominator 12. So this can be written as 121 by 132 equals to question mark by 12 because numerator here is unknown. So again, if you see these two, 132 is becoming 12. That means 132 is decreasing. Since this is decreasing, we have to divide these two, and again here we need to divide. We don't have to multiply. So if you divide 132 by 12, you will get 11. So 121 by 132 is equal to, we have to divide both numerator and denominator by 11. So 121 divided by 11 divided by 132 divided by 11. So 121 by 11 is 11 and 132 by 11 is 12. So our fraction is 11 by 12. Therefore 11 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 121 by 132.